Welcome, everyone. This is another exciting time for us at the MDM team, and we are doing the Trio of Life launch. This is a trio of amulets that have been in creation for about 8 months now, and it's taken a lot to get us here. So basically, the Trio of Life amulets are really an exquisite fusion of premium craftsmanship and sacred quartz that are grown for, or birthed rather, for this particular product. Each amulet is really intricately carved with the symbols representing eternal life. And I'm sorry, sometimes the video gets a little weird, but you can see the pictures on here. um, Infinite possibilities, and the essence of really creation itself. These will elevate your energy and style to completely new heights. This is a magical product like the HFA Mini before it, like the HFA Mini version 2 before it. Once you wear it, everything changes instantly once it's attuned and activated. It's really magic. Now, if you own any of the other MDM products, you know exactly what I'm talking about. So if you look at these particular amulets, they have inscriptions around it. And we use these for a reason, being that they're some of the most powerful icons and symbols within the living world. They inspire things to regenerate, cellular growth, the ultimate possibilities and growth, right? So they're also designed to work along with your energy field. If you're having problems in the world of energy, this brings everything into alignment. Through this amplification, you're going to be able to accomplish and visualize things that were once out of reach. Now, we use three specific laser engravings, okay? So here you can look at the thickness, right? They're not too thick. They actually don't weigh a lot. They're very comfortable to wear. And this one, my hands are shaking because there's so much power coming out of these. This one has the Flower of Life amulet inside it. This one has the DNA strand on the inside. And this one has the symbol of infinity. Again, these are all 3D laser engraved in this beautiful octagon package. These amulets are extremely special. From a lot of the product launches we've done in the past, you know how excited I get when I burst something like this. And with a product launch, we always kind of like to do you right on a whole nother level. So with this particular product launch, we're actually doubling down. So first off, for the first 30 days, you can purchase one, but if you purchase two, you will get the third absolutely free. We're keeping shipping pretty much at a minimum on these. Now, something you haven't seen before, but you might be familiar with. You remember the Source water bottle? Well, we ran out of stock in those in less than 30 days. So although these aren't publicly available yet, we came out with I Am Healthy. And again, I apologize, but on the page, you'll see the video. You'll see the pictures of the water bottle. This is the I Am Healthy. Whoa, where'd I go? There I am. The I Am Healthy water bottle. Okay. Designed exactly the same as the Source water bottle, except we have the I Am symbology on here. This is I Am Healthy. If you own any of the other I Am products, you know how the I Am Healthy symbology, the true name, which is on here, which is a symbol, can really help you in ways that defy science. And I'll just leave it at that for now. The bottom unscrews. It's a place to put something, sacred stones to help for healing, whatever you'd like. There's the Fibonacci sequence, which is laser engraved. This helps amplify the water in here. And on, of course, on the top, we have the nucleus, which helps energize. So the bottle is actually perfectly balanced to bring in a feeling of well-being. Um, you know, I Am Healthy. I mean, it kind of really says it all. So these are absolutely free. They will ship free with any purchase you make, whether it's one or all of them. And these are going to go fast. This has always been a popular item. Any of the I Am Healthy, the I Am Healthy bracelets, the I Am Healthy pyramids have always gone extremely fast. If you have used those products, you know the power, but now you're charging your water with it. Everything that I have done since the beginning with the first iterations of aquaware 15, 16 years ago have always been done with water. I always do a water blessing whenever I do a show, whenever I do a workshop, right? So the I Am Healthy water bottles is just a nice accent to this package for the next 30 days. Again, folks, there are three in here. We have some high resolution photos of these online. I've done videos on how to activate them. They are on sale now, and I don't expect these to last very long. If we do sell out, we'll continue to sell them. There is a larger order coming in, but we do have ample quality quantities now. These are absolutely beautiful. The power that comes from them is subtle, but change happens. All the details are, of course, on the sales page on the MDM website. If you were to purchase a product this year, this would be the one you want. You can wear them. Don't wear them in the water. Once they attune, which is pretty much instant, once you activate them, they start to glow. Not physically, but you can feel the aura growing. And when you put it on, it just becomes an extension, like your fingers, your feet, your toes. And that's when it's game on. So, like other products that we've released over the years, each product has a conscious creation behind it, right? It has its own little kind of personality. And the more you communicate with it, the stronger, the more you get to know it, the stronger it becomes and can help you well into the future. So again, folks, we are all super excited to launch this product. This is the Trio of Life with the I Am Healthy water bottle. They are available for 30 days. If you purchase one, or if you purchase two, you'll get the third one for free. With any purchase of this product, you get the I Am water bottle for free, one per customer. So folks, go and read, watch the videos. And yeah, I mean, this is just another amazing product in the lineup for 2024. Have a beautiful evening.